Welcome to our channel, where today we will walk you through how to fix transaction problems with OnPoint Credit Union quickly and effectively. Welcome to our channel, where today we will walk you through how to fix transaction problems with OnPoint Credit Union quickly and effectively. Dealing with transaction issues can be stressful, but following these clear steps can help you resolve problems smoothly and get back to managing your finances with confidence. First, verify your internet connection or mobile app connectivity, as many transaction errors arise due to poor network signals or outdated app versions. Make sure your OnPoint Credit Union app or website is updated to the latest version to avoid glitches. Second, review your recent transactions carefully to identify the specific problem, such as pending transactions, incorrect amounts, or declined payments. Sometimes transactions appear delayed or duplicated because of processing times, so patience may help. Third, check your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds. Insufficient balance is a common cause of declined transactions, so topping up your account or transferring funds may be required. Fourth, clear your app cache or browser history, as corrupted data can interfere with smooth transactions. Restarting your device can also help refresh the system. Fifth, if the issue persists, contact OnPoint Credit Union customer service directly through their secure chat, phone support, or email. When reaching out, have your account information and transaction details ready to speed up assistance. Be clear about the problem you're facing and ask for estimated resolution times. Additionally, consider visiting your local branch if the problem involves specific account discrepancies or if you prefer face-to-face communication. Throughout this process, keep detailed records of your communication and transaction attempts. This documentation can be useful if issues escalate and require formal dispute resolution. Lastly, ensure your account information like billing address and contact details are up to date to avoid verification problems that can stall transactions. By following these step-by-step measures, you can effectively tackle most transaction problems with OnPoint Credit Union, ensuring your banking experience remains secure and convenient. Remember, staying calm and systematic is the key to resolving these issues quickly and smoothly. If you apply these fixes and still face challenges, persistent follow-up with the credit union will eventually get your transactions back on track. Don't let transaction glitches disrupt your financial peace of mind.